in search of the 7 energy balancing starter kits. At the Mountain Castles, located at the Sacred Archives, find the 7 starter kits. Imagine at the Sacred Archives, inside the Magical University of Life, that you had an interview with Divana Scale, representing the guiding force of balance, and who you talked about re-establishing some balance in certain aspects of your life. After you had studied the 7-dimensional Sacred Wisdom Map and found out how everything in life is interconnected, it became clear to you that some balancing work needed to be done. Scale, the guiding force of balance, told you that you could find the 7 energy balancing starter kits in the Mountain Castle. Each of the starter kits offer a direct connection to one of the 7 dimensions, represented inside your body and all around you. Start experimenting with the balancing possibilities, but without any expectation. In addition to this adventure, don't forget to stay awake and aware about these 7 dimensions. Study more to understand them and to maintain balance and harmony in all areas and aspects of life.